Bill Nye the Math Guy, Bill Nye the Math Guy. Bill Nye the Math Guy. Math rules. Not the Math Guy. Root of F is F prime. The Math Guy. Bill Nye the Math Guy.
Hi, today we'll be discussing F prime graphs and particle motion. What was that for, Andrew?
Well, I was just trying to explain displacement, you know, subtracting the end point from the start point.
Oh. It's good.
Go. Go. Stop. Ready, set, go. Alright, ready, set, go.
So you might be wondering why I'm timing this kid over here, and I'm trying to find out the average velocity. And what we're doing is we have his 3 trials and the distances. And average velocity is change of distance over change of time. So we have 150 here because we added all the distance together, 50 plus 50 plus 50, which is 150. And we subtract it by the starting distance, which is 0. Then, in the bottom, we have change of time, which is compiled of the 3 trials, we add them up, and that's 12.27, and we subtract it by the starting time, which is 0, and that equals our average velocity. So, the average velocity of all 3 trials is going to be approximately 12.225 feet per second. Oh.
You know how fast you were going?
No.
You were going at 20 and a 10.
Oh, well, I can calculate my average acceleration.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you just take the ending time, which is 20 miles per hour, minus the starting time, which is 0, and then you take the time, which would approximately be 4 seconds, minus the starting time, which is 0. So it'd be 20 over 4, which is also 5 miles per hour.
And you think I care about that? You were speeding. You're getting a ticket.
That was my average acceleration. Okay, for today's quiz, you need paper and something to write with. You don't need your calculators.
So the particle is moving forward, right, or up when the velocity is positive. So that means that it would be moving backwards, left, or down when the velocity is negative. And if I wanted to see when it changed direction, I guess I could look for when the velocity changes from a positive to a negative, or a negative to a positive.
Alright, let's see. I did 1 and 2, but I need to do number 3. Okay. I know that acceleration is positive when the slope of f prime is increasing. But it is negative when the slope of f prime is decreasing.
This is an easy one. I know speed is decreasing when velocity is positive and when acceleration is negative, or when velocity is negative and acceleration is positive. But speed is increasing when both velocity and acceleration are both positive, or when they're both negative. But moving on to better things, I gotta think about my future with friends, so I can't wait to marry this guy. I love him.
Okay, 1 second left. Okay, paper's on the X. Okay, number 1. Andrew?
The particle moves left from 0 to 1 and 8 to 9, including 9. because this is when b of t is negative.
Number 2.
Pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me.
Edward.
Speed is decreasing because acceleration is positive and velocity is negative. Nice.
Number 3. Adrian.
Acceleration is negative at the intervals of 0 to 1 and from 5 to 9. And this is when velocity is decreasing.
Is what?
Decreasing.
Okay, this is a...
What's up? I'm the F gang. And here's my graph. I'm going to put F. And here's a graph of mine. And here's how it goes. My F gang is positive when it's above the x-axis, and it's negative when it's below the x-axis.
Alright, come here for a second. I need to show you something. Alright, this is the F prime right here. This is the F prime game. What you know about that? Alright, let me show you something right quick. Yeah, I'm gonna cover up my stuff. Alright, F is increasing when F prime is positive. Yeah. Alright, and F is decreasing when F prime is negative. And look, I got a max right here. What you know about that, partner? What you know about that? We the best gang out here. We beat everybody else.
No. Give me this F double prime. Alright, so it's positive when F prime is positive, and then it's negative, it goes back up to positive, and right here, they're inflection points, and it goes from concave down, the concave up, the concave down. That's what I'm talking about.
Time's up. Papers on next. Grading papers on a Saturday morning. Edward's paper. He put respectfully instead of respectively. He got the answer right though. F has an inflection point when F double prime changes from positive to negative and negative to positive, respectively. Oh, but he got this question wrong. F has a min when F prime goes from negative to positive, and F has a max when F prime goes from positive to negative. I'll give him half on this, because F is concave upward when F double prime is positive, which means F prime is increasing. Edward didn't answer this question. F has a horizontal line when F prime equals 0.
Yeah!